you could design your data flyer, how to design your data flyer yourself without paying a graphic designer. So go to your Play Store, then search for Pixellab, because we are going to be using this mobile app called Pixellab. Can you see it now? Pixellab. Can you see? Just download it, because I've downloaded it. If you haven't downloaded it, just go and download it on your Play Store. So now that I have it already, let me just go to the app. I have it already. Pixellab. This is how it looks like. Just what I want. Let me just choose this. Let me just use this thing. Yes. So this is how it goes. After downloading the Pixellab, go to pixabay.com to get your free. Can you see? Pixabay.com. Then search for mobile phone. Since we are working on something like an internet service provider, let's just use mobile phone. Let's use mobile phone. Then search for it. They have a lot of images there that you can use for free. So whichever one you just choose one. Just choose one. They have a lot of beautiful images there. So let's just choose one. Let me just choose this one with social media. Just click on it. Can you see? Just click on it and hold it down. Then click on download image. Can you see my notification bar now that the image is downloaded successfully? So let's go back to our Pixellab to import our downloaded image. But before that, before we could do anything, we need to set our size, the size that you want for this design. You will need to set it up. So go to this three dots icon. Let me just indicate it for you. These three dots here at the top, you have to click on it. Can you see? Then click on image size. Now the size that I'll be using is 1280 for the width, then 1880 for the height. I think it's okay. Click on OK. So you see this polygon icon here. Let me click on it. Let me indicate it. There's a polygon icon here, sorry, at the down part of my screen after the A image. So click on it. Click on the polygon shape. So here we have to import our downloaded image. Click on import. So I have a lot of images here. The one I downloaded here is this. Can you see now? This is the image I want to download. This is the image that I want to use, the one we downloaded. So click on the mark icon that you are satisfied with this. So you have to extend this image to fill up the screen. Extend it to fill up the screen. Can you see it's filled up already? So let's proceed. Background that we just downloaded, we have to send it to the back. So let's scroll here, click on to back, click on it. Can you see to back here? So that is that. And this background, we are going to lock it so that it won't be movable. Let's click on this icon here. Let me just indicate it for you. Click on this layer icon here. This icon, this double A icon, just click on it. Click on it. We have to lock this background. We have to lock it. So click on the key icon here. Click on it. Can you see? So it is locked already. So let's leave this area. I will just swipe this to the left. Okay, let's proceed. You see this our background, the brightness is too much because we are using it for background, so it should not be light as this. So we have to reduce the opacity, and to reduce the opacity, just scroll gently. Can you see opacity here? Can you see opacity after texture? Beside texture, I mean, click on opacity. So here we are going to reduce the opacity. Let me just reduce this. I think I'm okay. Let me leave it at 33. I'm okay with this. So click on the mark icon. So we need a shape for this our design. We need a shape. Do you see shapes under my design here? Beside draw, just click on shapes. So I need a shape for my design. So click on the mark icon. So can you see this shape there? So let's increase the radius. Can you see the difference now? Let's increase the radius. So it's okay like this. Click on the mark icon. Then click on copy because we need 4 of it. So click on copy. Click on copy. This is 3. We need more of it. Click on copy. So this is 4 of it. So good. It's very good. So now we are going to change the shape color. We are going to change the shape color. Just click on color. Mark the embedded. Click on color. Mark the embedded. Click on color. Mark embedded. You can as well go to gradient. So I'm using red now. Let me just mark the embedded. Can you see? Just leave this white icon here. I think I copied it 5 times. Just leave it. We are going to work on it. So let me just reduce this. Let me reduce it to a smaller part. This one, let me also reduce it to a smaller part. Let me reduce this too. I will reduce it to a smaller part. So I will reduce this too. So let me just delete this image. Let me delete it because I actually want an exact image. So I'll have to copy it back. Let me paste here. I need the exact size. Let me copy it. I need the exact size. Let me copy this too. I need the exact size. So I think this is okay. Let me just shift it to the left hand side. This is okay. So you see this white shape, I'm going to delete it. Then this red icon, let me just copy it. Then I will change the color to white. I will change the color to white. So I will mark it here. Then I will copy it too because I need 4 of it. I copied it. Let me just delete this. I need an exact size so that I won't do a mistake. So this is what I need here. So let me just copy it now. So I copy it because I already sized it to what I want. So let me copy it again. So let me just keep it here. I hope you are following me. Click on copy again, then you have to put it here. So we are getting there. So let's proceed. Let me just move it up. Let me move it up here, because I have something that I want to put at the lower part. Just make sure you are at the same position with this. Make sure you position it very well. I think this is okay. This is okay. So this is okay now. So before we proceed, we need an MTN logo, we need an Airtel logo, low logo, then 9 mobile logo for our design. You can just go to your Chrome to download those logos, then input it here. So go to your Chrome, you have a lot of images there. Just search for MTN image browser. So I'm okay with this. Let me just right click on it and click on download. So I need a 9 mobile logo. This is a 9 mobile logo. Let me just download it. I need Airtel. So this is one here. Let me just download it. Then I need Glow. So I click. So hold it down, then click on download. So now I have them all on my phone. Let me just go to my Pixel app. So can you see? Click on import. Then I will import my MTN logo here. Let me just crop it. I have to crop it. Just hold it down at the edges here. You have to crop it. Then click on the mark icon. So can you see this logo now is occupying all my space? Then I have to reduce it very well. Reduce it to the smaller part. Then place it here. So do you see where I place it now? So let me import 9 mobile logo. So I have to crop it too. So let me crop it. Then click on the mark icon. Let me just put it here. I need to reduce this a bit. This MTN logo, I need to reduce it a bit. So take it back. Here we are. So what else? I hope you are following me. 9. Okay, we have blue here. Then crop it. Crop it. Click on mark icon. Then reduce it very well. Now I have it here. I think it's okay. So I'm okay by that. So what else? Airtel, click on import. Oh, I don't download Airtel. I think I downloaded Airtel the other time. Let me just download it again. Download the image. Then go back. Let me just insert my Airtel. I don't really like this image. Let me just search for another Airtel image. Oh, I have a beautiful one here. Let me just download this. I don't want this. Let me import it again. Click on import. Then I want this Airtel. So I hope you are following me. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are yet to subscribe. My YouTube channel username is Opetech123. So you can just subscribe. I think this is okay. This is okay. Now what I will add next is my name. This new text, let me just input my name there. So after positioning the logos, just click on this layer icon at the top part of my screen, the layer icon. Let me just indicate it here. Let me indicate it for you. Click on this icon. So we are going to use this icon to lock our red and white shape so that it won't be movable. So click on it. So we are going to lock everything. You see this key there? Just click on the keys there. Lock it. Lock it so that it won't be movable. So it is locked already. Just click on the layer again. So let's proceed. We are going to lock these white shapes too. So click on it. We are going to lock it. Can you see it is locked already? This new text, just click on the delete icon and it will be deleted. Can you see? So here we are. Can you see they are not movable? They are not movable. I'm touching it right now. They are not movable. So we are good to go. So what I will have to do next is that I will have to input my name here at the top of the screen. So it depends on your name. So click on this A icon at the down part. Then click on text. Can you see the new text has appeared as well? Then click on edit. Then I'll write my name. Let me just say my online VTU data. So it depends on whatever name you give yourself, because you have to give yourself a name. So click on OK. Can you see? Let me just edit. So let me increase the size. I'll increase the size here. So click on mark. Then I need to make it more beautiful. Click on font. Then let me give it a beautiful font. So I think I give it this one. Click on OK. So this is the font I gave to it. Let me increase it a bit. So it depends on the name you bear. Then I will have to put my slogan there. Let me see, avoidable data subscriptions. But this time around, I will have to put a shape. So click on the shapes icon. Now let me just write my price on these buses. So let me write my price on them. So click on the A icon, then click on text. Can you see new text here? So you can include your prices there. So click on edit. Let me say 1 gig. 1 gig. It depends on the price you sell your data. So 1 gig for, let me just put this dash 300 naira. Okay, let me copy it and paste it back. Copy it. I will have to paste it again. Let me say 2 gig for 600, and then paste it. Let me say 3 gig for 900. So on and on like that. Let me just leave it like this. This tier is okay. Then I have to change the color. Just proceed, then click on color. Let me give it a dark blue color. Is this color okay? Let me just reduce the size so that it will size the, what's it called, the shapes there. I can still add to the prices there so that it will occupy those space. So let's proceed. Let's say 4 gig. It depends on how you want it. 4 gig for, no, I copied it already. Let me just paste it and write 4 gig. 4 gig for 1,200. 5 gig for, don't forget I copied it already. I'm pasting it right now. For how much? 1,500. I think this is okay. Click on OK. Can you see now? Let me just go back. Go back. No. Come out of these shapes. Make sure it doesn't come out of it. So it's okay like this. I think it's okay like this. So I have to copy this because I won't be doing the same thing all through. I'll be doing the same thing all through inside this box. So I click on copy. Can you see it's copied already? So I click on copy again. It's copied already. Let me just paste it there. I click on copy again. I paste it inside. So I think it's okay like this. It's okay like this. Can you see our design is coming out more beautiful? So then you can proceed by changing your price. It depends on what you want. So if you want to change your Airtel price, you can proceed. If you want to change your Glow price, you can proceed by clicking on it. Then click on edit. Glow price, I think is 400 for resellers. Let me just put my price there. Let me just say 1,200, 1,800, on and on like that. 2,100. Click on OK. So can you see now? Your 9 mobile, you can edit it to your preferred price. Before you set this price, make sure you just confirm the price now. But presently, let me put 200 naira for 9 mobile, 400 for 2 gig, 600, 800, 1000. So that is fine, So let's proceed. So you see this, your business name, let's position it very well. Click on it, then go to position. You want to position it to the down part, is it to the right side? So it depends on how you want it. So I'm okay with this. So now you need to put your slogan. Maybe you have a slogan, you have to put it. So let me just click on tests. Let me click on edit. So my slogan is affordable data subscription. So click on OK. Depends on how you want it. So then I will need a shape for this too. So click on polygon icon, then click on shapes. Can you see the shapes? Then we want a radius. Shape. So can you see? Move it to the down part and the smaller version of it. Let me give it, click on mark, then I'll give it a background color. Click on embedded, let's say red background color, or is it blue you want? Depends on what you want. So let me just bring it up here. Then I will send my design to the front. So shapes to the back. So click onto the back, then I'll put my text on it. I need to extend my text. So this font size, you can change it. Click on A icon. Then click on font. You can change it to your preferred font. Then let me click OK. No, this one is not good enough. Let me use this one. So I have to increase the size. Click on size, then increase the size. Let me reduce the size of this shape. Let me reduce it. So I think it's okay with me. It's okay. This is coming out more beautiful. Then let me add my WhatsApp number here. Let me say I want to add my WhatsApp number. Click on text. So click on edit. WhatsApp. So click on OK. So you can extend it, you can position it very well, and you can also change the color. It depends. So I've taught you how to change color. If you want to change the color, you can just proceed and change the color. But for now, I don't think I want to change the color. For now. So I think our design is coming out more beautiful. it's coming out more beautiful. So after designing your flower, you can go ahead and save it. So let me just indicate how you can save it for you. You see this icon here at the top, click on it once, then it will be downloaded to your phone. So thank you very much for watching this video. So click on save as image, then click on save to gallery, rendering images. Can you see images? Can you see our images saved? So thank you very much for watching.